Have you ever wondered what makes virtual reality or VR so immersive? Today, we're diving deep into the technology that powers these incredible digital worlds. VR has moved far beyond science fiction. It's now a transformative tool in gaming, education, design, and beyond. Let's start with the basics. Virtual reality is essentially a simulated experience that can be similar to or completely different from the real world. The goal is to fully immerse the user. A complete VR system relies on several key components working together: the headset for visuals and audio, tracking systems for movement, and powerful processing hardware. The visuals are the heart of the VR experience. They must be rendered convincingly in 3D and react instantly to your movements to trick your brain into believing the environment is real. Inside the headset, two high-resolution screens, one for each eye, project the virtual world. Lenses placed between your eyes and the screens magnify the image and curve it to fill your field of view. To achieve a realistic sense of depth, the VR system displays slightly different images to each eye, simulating how our real eyes perceive the world. This is called stereoscopic 3D vision. Latency, the delay between your movement and the virtual image update, must be minimal, ideally under 20 milliseconds, to prevent motion sickness. High refresh rates ensure smooth visuals. The next critical element is tracking. The VR system needs to know exactly where your head and body are positioned and how they are moving in real time. Head tracking is managed by inertial measurement units, or IMUs, embedded in the headset. These measure rotation and acceleration, providing rotational freedom instantly. Positional tracking determines where you are in a physical space. Outside-in uses external sensors, while the common inside-out tracking uses cameras on the headset itself to map your environment. Controllers allow you to interact with the environment. They're tracked similarly to the headset, often including haptic feedback to simulate the feeling of touch, enhancing immersion. Beyond sight and touch, sound is crucial. It adds realism and can even enhance your sense of presence in the virtual world. Spatial audio simulates sound originating from a specific point in 3D space, which is vital for immersion. Hearing a virtual character speak from your left adds massive realism. Advanced VR often incorporates haptic devices, like gloves or vests, to let you feel sensations. This includes textures, impact, and resistance, bridging the gap between digital and physical. None of this is possible without immense computing power. VR demands continuous, high-performance rendering to keep the illusion intact. The graphics processing unit, or GPU, is the workhorse, generating the complex visual environment. The central processing unit, or CPU, manages tracking data and simulation logic. The virtual world must be rendered in real time, often requiring frame rates of 90 frames per second or higher for both eyes simultaneously. This is highly demanding on hardware. Virtual reality is a complex blend of advanced optics, sophisticated tracking, and powerful computing, all converging to create a believable, immersive experience. Remember the core mechanisms: stereoscopic displays for depth, ultra-low latency for comfort, precise tracking for movement, and spatial audio for realism. As technology advances, expect VR headsets to become lighter, resolutions to increase, and tracking to become even more seamless, integrating virtual reality further into our daily lives.